Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, it is Friday. We've made it through another week. It's been absolutely mental this week. Loads of bits and pieces going on, picking up other people's cars, picking up new projects. So yeah, you know, it's been a mad one, but it's the end of the week. So let's finish off the end of the week with this Fiat 500. Great little car. Honestly, it's fantastic. When I get into this, we're going to see that it's it's a proper little gem, this one. So today's video, I'm just literally going to strip it all back, take the wing off, take the bonnet off. We're going to get into that timing belt. I think I want to do the timing belt and the servicing before I put the bonnet on. So bits and pieces like that. And yeah, just really sort of go into it today. Try and do as much as we can. So let's do this. So guys, let's just get into it, this one. Basically, I'll set you up. Let's get the bonnet off, the wing, all stripped down. Let's start looking at the timing belt as well. I'll get this cover off. I'll show you that. Start pulling the top box off, ready for the new filter. Just, drop the oil. Just do as much as we can. We'll take the wheels off. Let's have a look at the brakes. We'll change the brake pads, I think, because the brake pads are in the boot. So I'll whip them over and swap them as well. And yeah, we'll just sort of see how far we get today with it. Definitely going to I think I'm swaying to get this repaired. I think I can't leave it like that, really. I've got to be honest. Even if it is just a small little, it is a smidgen in it really. I don't know if I've got a tack welding pulling machine. Maybe that will do it. Maybe. But I think it still need a bit of filler. And then a paint, which I have to go to the paint shop to be done. Really, I'll take this cover off. So yeah, let's just crack on, guys. Let's just set you up on the tripod. Let's do this. Right, okay guys, so done loads and loads already on this car this morning. It's not even 10 o'clock, so yeah, absolutely smashed it in a minute. So, as you can see, I've already started doing the service parts. I've dropped the oil, taken off the box at the top. There's a bolt that's struggling at the bottom, so I need to get that off. Took the cam cover off so I can show you that. So let me just show you the cam. The cam belt. So it's not that bad, I've got to be honest. It is starting to wear, and I think for the age of the vehicle, you can see that it's just the wear marks going down. It's difficult. It's not the worst I've seen, I've got to be honest, but I think I'm still going to do it. Yeah, I think I'm still going to do it. I'm going to change the auxiliary belt as well. Do the water pump. May as well. So yeah, took the bonnet off, took the wing off, the old one, that's all been taken away there as well. I don't know if I've told you already, but I've already picked up a wing in colour. But whether or not this white is going to be an absolute perfect match, I don't know. I might have to clean it all off and then get the machine polisher on it to get the colour close. I don't know. The trouble is with this is that the actual the amount of money that I can spend is very, very minimal. So I can't be spending hundreds of pounds on paintwork because it's just not worth, the car's not worth it. So I'd rather, you know, get this repaired, which I'm going to get all that repaired and painted, change the bonnet, change the wing, and do the work on the engine, the timing belt, the water pump, do all that side of it, you know, get all that up to scratch. The inside is lovely, really, really clean, nice and decent. I've taken off the wheels, and the brake pads are really, really good. Got a lot of tread meat left on them. See them? That is a lot. So I don't need to replace those that are in the back. I'll give it a service, like the actual discs and the pads and the you know, make sure everything's working, oil it all up, spray it all down, clean it all back, do all that side of it. But I'm not going to change the pads because I don't need it. So yeah. Right, well that's where we are. Let me set you back up. Let's carry on. And I think I'm just going to go for it. Timing belt, water pump, just go for it. Just start stripping it out, stripping it down. Let's get it out. And let's see how far we get today. So yeah, let's do this. Right, okay, guys, moving along very nicely now. So, oh, I'm actually shattered. But, yeah, all the covers are off. I managed to get the belt off, the auxiliary belt, because the alternator's here, but it's got no air conditioning compressor, so that's a little bit easier compared to the other one that I did with the lounge when it got aircon. But it had to come off anyway, so I've unloosened the bolts from this alternator, and then I just sort of moved it back, pulled it back towards the front. It allowed tension off the belt, because there isn't actually, this is a stretch belt, this auxiliary belt. They're just a stretch, and there's no tensioner. So yeah, that's what had to be done. I can't remember where my torch is now. Oh, there it is. You get a bit of light down there if you see better. That's it. So yeah, now we've got to get this all lined up. The belt, the cam belt, the timing belt. Sorry guys, just because I'm so knackered and tired, I can't speak properly. But you know what I mean. I've got to line that up, then get the water pump off, and then yeah, set the new water pump in place, and then do the reverse, put the new one back on, which comes in a kit, Daco timing belt kit. Comes with a water pump and the tensioner in this kit. So that's that, with a matching Daco auxiliary belt. But yeah, we're just going to carry on, keep see how far we get today. I have actually been to the paint shop today as well, believe it or not, and picked up the purple Fiat 500 I've been doing as well. That's now done. Just picked it up back from the paint shop, and it looks amazing, guys. Honestly, the colour match is incredible. They've knocked it out of the park, the paint shop. So yeah, we'll be back on that next week. But for now, let's continue with this and just see how far we get. Let's do this. Right, okay, guys, let me just give you an update. This is, this is taking no time whatsoever. I'm really sort of getting used to, what goes where, what to do. It's just getting quicker, and they're just getting quicker and quicker for me every time I do one. So, yeah, as you can see, nice new water pump down there. all done up, nice and tight how it should be. We've got a nice new timing belt on as well, so that's all in place. All my markings are all still lined up. The top one there, the top cam is still lined up there. You can see that black mark there with that black mark there. All lines through, hasn't moved whatsoever. The last one I did on this, that top cam was moving, but this one seemed to be quite solid, so that's good. The bottom one obviously is not going to move because the plate's down there. You can see it is holding it, it's locking it in place, so that's never going to move. And then tensioned it with the new tensioner. Obviously, this is the tool that come with it. Sometimes you can buy, so I've got a timing kit that you can buy the kit, and this actually comes inside this one here. So it does come inside it, but it's a little bit fragile. I don't know, those little pins are a little bit sort of crappy. Don't know if it's like cheap Chinese metal knockoff crap, but when you buy a Dayco timing belt kit, this actually comes in the kit. So what I'll do is now I'll just keep hold of that just in case I ever need one, stick it in one of these boxes up here for parts, for timing belt parts or whatever, stick it up there. I'll write on there timing belt tools. So yeah, but yeah, I'm surprised myself how quick and how easy this one has actually gone. But you know, like I said, the more you do, the quicker it becomes, the easier it becomes. So yeah, it's definitely sort of worth just cracking on. But we're kind of there, mate. I've got to be honest. Let's just box it all up, put the belt back on, and put it all back together. So let's carry on. Let's do this. Right, okay guys. Whew, what a monster of a day. I'm definitely going to be enjoying a cold beer out the fridge when I get back. Right, let's get into it. So, we are all back together, all boxed up. A little bit of spillage up here with the oil, but I'll get that up a little bit with tissue. Just put the battery and the battery tray back in for the moment, because we have got a squeaky clutch on this one, and I want to see if that's hydraulic. There's a hydraulic piece down there. You can just see it there. I want to get to that and get a little bit of grease around that and see if that will stop it. If not, that might have to be changed. if it's the top part. Hopefully it's not inside. I don't think it is, because I've had them before and I know what the sound is like when it's inside the thrust bearing, inside the gearbox. I don't think it's that. I think it's that hydraulic master cylinder. I think it's the master cylinder, that is. Anyway, I'm just forgetting things because I'm tired, really tired. But let's show you, because I just wanted to quick put the battery in so we can do this. So there we go. A little bit smoky because obviously it's oil has gone down there a little bit, so yeah. Daytime running lights are on. But yeah, we have a run and drive. We have a running engine after the timing belt, which is always good. But oh, I'm absolutely shattered, guys. Really tired. Done loads and loads today. Probably the quickest I've probably done that, I've got to be honest. All that work, like obviously the strip down, took the bonnet off, the wing, stripped it all down, changed the timing belt, the water pump's been done. You know, it's quite a lot, and I'm really tired. Right, guys, that is going to be the end of today's video, the end of this week's videos as well. It's Friday. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching all week. Take care. See you soon in next week's videos. Thanks very much.